Hello techies! Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
So string, we have 20 date also, we have date, I think we have 10. When I go here, custom string, custom date. And you can see custom number. It is why we have a custom string date number, because this defines the behavior of that particular field. Right, I'm creating a field, but how the field will be behaving in the front end, that define. Right. Now you can see a field is been there and that field is specified as a date. That is the thing, it is coming as a date picker. Right. Yes. Okay. This is the appearance. What is showing? Suppose, if I'm going and creating something as a decimal, I want that field should only, whatever input I'm putting into that field, it should take as a character or a number or a decimal. So that defines this custom fields. Okay. That is string, number, date and decimal. Got it. Yes. Okay. So if customer is coming up a requirement that we want, some number should come in there. They will not know that. They will not, they are not aware about the functionality. Functionality part. We are the expertise. So we should know they will only speak in a very generic language, layman language. Okay. We should try to coordinate that communication into SF language, but they weren't actually in the system. Okay. If they are looking up for the numbers, then we will. We have this option. Custom number. We can able to, and there is no sequence. It is nothing that you have to go over, custom 1, 2, or something. You can pick randomly 17, 15, 12, 9, anything. Okay. That you can pick. But whatever is the leftover, that make sure that in the future you can able to utilize that. If it is totally used, then you don't have any option to add a custom field. Got it. Similarly, when I go into after custom number, it will be 20, I think. 15, 20. And after 20, it is showing custom decimals. Okay. So now you can see the design of the XML. It starts with HRIS, element, the label, the translation. Then we have HRIS field, that the standard field. So each standard field start with the attributes, then the label and the tender translation, and then each other one-to-one standard fields. After completing all the standard fields, it starts with the custom fields. So custom fields. We can see it is divided into 4 parts, that is, custom string, custom date, custom number and custom decimals. Okay. So all these things which you are seeing, it is for which object it is for location group. Right. All these are all the custom fields are for the location group. Okay. Similarly, when you are going for the location group for all the custom fields that each object or HRIS element will be having different custom fields. Got it. How you have seen for the location group, the custom string 20, custom date, then custom number 20, same thing applies to other things. Same thing applies to other foundation objects. Got it. Yes. In the XML. Okay. So now, after decimal, when I scroll down so you can see here, the attribute will be there, label will be there. So when you scroll down after the end of the custom field, we can able to see the association. Association means the relationship between the object. So when I scroll down, this is the custom decimal 20. So when I scroll down here, I'm not finding any association. But where is the association? If I go and see the association, I can see the association in the location. Right. It's not location and legal entity. Right. And association will be there, right. So if I want to go here, if I want to show you the location, now you understood the designing of the standard, designing of the HRIS element in the field. Right. Now if I want to show you the location, location. Okay. So when I scroll down, let me complete all the fields here. Standard fields as well as the custom field. End of the field we will find the association. So now it's still custom string, custom date, custom number. Then we have custom decimal. Still, it is called location. Right. So custom string, custom decimal 20. Let me scroll down. Now you can see here the code which is showing. Yeah. Okay. Up to here. Okay. This is the code where we have seen the destination entity. We can see here destination entity. Okay. Required means it is not mandatory. Okay. When we start within the way forward in the coming session, when we start with what is association, then you should recall again. I will come back to the same screen, but as we are discussing about the XML, so I thought to cover up that every element. Now we are seeing what is the element, location. So location will be having. Location will be having the standard fields. Right. So after the standard fields and after the custom fields, we can see this code as an association. Okay. So that association which has been mentioned, because it is therefore legal entity and geo zone. You can see legal entity and geo zone. These are the association. So when I go back here you can see two associations are there. Right. Geozone and legal entity. Can you see? Okay, so this is there, but when you go into location group, there is no code in there. Right. But if you want to test and if you want to include this code there and we want to update any particular object, that also it can be possible. You can able to try and you can able to create the association. Got it. Okay. Now, here it is showing for locations. Okay. Now, when I'm just going here for location, you can see that association is already there. Okay. We can create the records. So already we have seen this part right. How we are adding the record with the company, that is, with the entity. Correct. Yes. So how it is?
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.